Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am starting our lesson. Today's exercise is 6.2, first part. Uh, Dear student, I will try to make you understand some problem related equation. That is number 10. If the sum and the difference of two numbers are 100 and 20 respectively, find the two numbers. Solution: let the two numbers be x and y, where x will be greater than y. According to first condition, x plus y equal to 100 in equation 1, and according to the second condition, x minus y equal to 20 in equation 2. So we can find solution the addition of equation 1 and 2. So x plus y equal to 100, x minus y equal to 20. By addition, we get 2x equal to 120, so x equal to 60. Putting the value of x, in equation 1, we get 60 plus y equal to 100, so y equal to 100 minus 60 equal to 40, so y equal to 40. So xy equal to 60 and 40, that is answer. Number 12. Of two numbers, the sum of thrice of the first and double of the second is 59. Again, the difference of the second number from double of the first is 9. Find the two numbers. So, solution: let the two numbers are x and y. According to first condition, we get 3x plus 2y equal to 59 in equation 1. According to second condition, 2x minus y equal to 9 in equation 2. So we have to make it balance. For balancing, or for balance, we can multiply equation 2 by 2. After that, we can add of the two equation. So 1 plus 2 into 2, we get 3x plus 2y equal to 59, 4x minus 2y equal to 18. 2 plus 2y minus 2y will be dismissed, so 3x 4x will be 7x equal to 77. So x equal to 77 by 7 equal to 11. By putting the value of x in equation 1, we get 3 into 11 plus 2y equal to 59. So 2y equal to 59 minus 33 equal to 26. By calculating, we get y equal to y equal to 30. Y equal to 30. So the two numbers are 11 and 30. Number 30. 5 years ago, the ratio of the age father and son was 3:1, and 15 years 15 years, and after 50 years, that will be 2:1. Find the present age of father and son. Solution: let at present father age is x years, at present son age is y years. So 5 years ago father age was x minus 5 years. 5 years ago son age was x minus 5 years. Sorry, y minus 5 years. According to the first condition, x minus 5 is to x minus y equal to 3 is to 1. So by calculating we get x minus 3y equal to minus 10. We can denote it in equation 1. And after 15 years, father age will be x plus 15 years. After 15 years, son's age will be y plus 15 years. So according to second condition, x plus 15 is to y plus 15 equal to 2 is to 1. By calculating we get x minus 2y equal to 15 in equation 2. For solution we can write it 2 minus 1. So x minus 2y equal to 15, x minus 3y equal to minus 10. We know that when we follow the process of subtraction, so we have below equation, sign of below equation will be changed, will be opposite. So minus x plus 3y plus 10. So xx will be dismissed. So y equal to 25. Therefore y equal to 25. Putting the value of y in equation 2, we get x minus 2 into 25 equal to 15. After calculating, we get x equal to 65. At present, father age is 65 years and son age is 25 years. That is solution. Number 17. The length of a rectangular is 25 meter more than the breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangular is 150 meter, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So here we have to find out, or we have to know, we have to memorize what is the formula of perimeter. So we can forward to the solution. Let the breadth is y meter and the length is x meter. According to first condition, x minus y equal to 25. According to second condition, 2 into xy plus y equal to 150. 2 into xy, that is why we know that the formula of perimeter of a rectangular equal to 2 into x plus y, or 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into x plus y equal to 150. So after calculating we get x plus y equal to 75. We can find the solution by this process. 1 plus equation 2, x minus y equal to 25, x plus y equal to 75. Plus y minus y will be dismissed, so 2x equal to 100, so x equal to 50. Putting the value of x in equation 2, we get 50 plus 75, so y equal to 25. Length is 50 meter and breadth is 25. That is solution. Dear student, this is the last problem, but not least. A person has 5,000. He divides that amount between two persons in such a way that the first person share is 4 times than the second person. Again, if the first person give 1,500 to the second person, both the amount to be comes equal. Find the amount of each person. It's I think it is the problem question is so long, but answer is so easy. So solution: let the amount of the first person is taka x and the amount of the second person taka y. So here x plus y equal to 5000 taka. According to first condition, we can write x equal to 4y. Equation second. According to second condition, we can write x minus 1500 equal to y plus 1500. So x minus y equal to this. By calculating, we get x minus y equal to 3000. We can denote it equation 3. So equation 1 plus 3, we can write x plus y equal to 5000, x minus y equal to 3000, plus y minus y will be dismissed, so 2x equal to 8000, so x equal to 4000. Putting the value of x in equation 2, we get x plus 4y, so 4y equal to 4000, y equal to 1000, so y equal to 1000 taka. In conclusion, we write amount of the first person is 4000 taka and the amount of the second person is taka 1000. That is answer. Dear students, your homework is 11, 14, 15, 16 and 18. So I think if you do it carefully, the problem which have done, which is created by us solution. So if you do all the homework carefully, I think this chapter will be so easy for you. um, Thank you everybody.